Bonjour, it's day 2. Day 3? Day 3, but second full day. We are going to have the Kwomwon. Don't ask me. But we are going to get Eiffel Tower pictures from afar because we didn't really get to yesterday. And it's pretty cloudy yesterday. But unfortunately, we got here and it's like
the sun is just
like
rising.
it didn't even, no, it didn't even come out yet. I really, it's hidden. So, yeah. This is stop number 2, unexpected stop, but we're by this garden and we made some friends from New Jersey. And so we took photos together. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just finished taking pictures with the tower, but now we're going to a cafe
it's called
Correct. It's the very popular cafe that everybody goes to. Yeah, the really thick hot chocolate, all that. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try the pastries, like croissants and stuff like that. So yeah.
Wow. Iconic. Doing major damage. Okay, now go.
About to do more.
For this girl. Gloria getting her first wallet. How do you feel?
I'm pretty excited, but yeah, I'm really excited because this is like my first
Designer,
like I guess brand purchase. So
yeah, congrats!
Mont Blanc.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yo, not YouTube appropriate. This is lemon cream pasta.
This is truffle pasta.
Ooh, and we got some.
That's like, I think it's like breadsticks.
Yeah.
It's very thin. It's really good.
Yay!
Cheers.
Cheers. All clear. Guys, that was the best meal we've had in Paris. Wait, do they know the backstory of this?
No,
Okay.
I didn't.
So I went to Celine. We went to Celine, And as we were checking out, the guy, the guy was saying that, the guy was giving Gloria all the recommendations of like places to eat, and this happened to be one of them. And he mentioned lemon cream pasta, and I got so excited.
Yeah,
and she got
I got truffle pasta,
and it was so good.
It's like the best pasta I've ever had. Like, honestly.
Me too.
What are you doing?
Signing off. Alright guys, we just left red little door. A little red door. Keep missing out. But we had like non-alcoholic drinks, mocktails. But she's drunk. She's acting like she's drunk. But we're gonna sign off here today. Yeah, day 2 was really fun. That was very, very fun.
Drunk off the moon.
Stop. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow.